Let's start. My name is Toyin Umesiri. I'm the CEO of Nazaru, and I've created multiple platforms, multiple initiatives that are globally relevant. Well, before I ventured into business and starting my own business from scratch, I actually worked in the corporate world. Most recently working at Walmart at the headquarters, helping to design global systems, global strategy, and one of the things I managed was also $250 million of technology spend and the strategy behind that, like working with cross-functional teams, cross-functional stakeholders to pull together a 3 to 5 year roadmap. So one thing that has now kind of come to my heart is realizing that the tools and techniques that big businesses use to build, to strategize, to, the techniques they use to do things at scale. As I've engaged with people in the small business world, I realized the small business community did not have the same skills, not at the level, right, that the big businesses had. So what's business development, right? Basically, it's simple. How do you create a business? How do you develop a business? How do you provide goods and services? What are the thought processes that you use to make sure that what you're delivering is going to be consumed by your end consumer and you're successful and you make money? Pretty much that's it. Go grab your pen, go grab pieces of paper, you're going to need it, and let's start by you on your paper write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? Write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm going to run through 5 things for today's workshop. Number 1, we're going to cover your current state. Your current state. The reason this is so important, like if you were starting like a new business from scratch, you would still have to do this, but maybe not at a deeper dive if you were an existing business that was looking for ways to shift. Because we know right now with what's going on out there, the global market, the business landscape has been digitally disrupted. So what we're trying to walk you through is how do you shift? How do you extend your business? How do you still keep running even though there's disruption out there? Okay? So your current state could be, I want to start a business, or I have an existing business that has been impacted big time. What do I do? Why this is so important is because oftentimes people go with this emotional side of, I've lost this, I've lost that, I don't have this, my store, people cannot come to my store, different things like that. We do not want you to start with what you've lost, right? It's more of what do you have left behind. Second thing we want to go over is a customer profile. Without a customer that is going to consume your products or services, you don't have a business, right? I hope people realize that without the right customers that are willing to pay for whatever it is you are offering, your business does not exist. One thing, 2 things you need to walk through as we go into this second phase would be pain points. What are your customers' pain points? And what are their gains? What are they hoping to achieve? These are the 2 critical things when you are delivering a value proposition, which is the third thing, right? Value proposition. Because when you understand their pain points, your value proposition to them would be, I want to help you eliminate pain, or their gain, their aspirations. I want you to help you create a gain. For example, somebody, if you're in the fashion world, a gain could be your customers want to look good, right? It's not really a pain point. We're all at home now, right? Not everybody's buying luxury items, but the truth is the luxury industry runs on aspirations. I want to look this way, I want to feel this way, class, I want to be seen this way, I want to gain a reputation in the society. So if you want to gain that reputation, we would help you deliver on that. So that's an example of mapping the 2. Now, the 4th thing we would do is what we'll call your business model. Your business model is how are you going to deliver on your promise of your value proposition, and how do you get paid, right? Let me put 3 to wipe this out. So you're going to move on to the next phase, where we would now dive deeper to these 5 stages.